Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this extreme all-day clean with me. In today's video, it is jam-packed with cleaning motivation, so you can clean right along with me. I have pretty much tackled my entire house today to bring you lots of deep cleaning and everyday cleaning motivation. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if it does help motivate you, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for lots more cleaning motivation every single week. And let's just jump straight into it. So in today's video, I did decide to start upstairs. As you can see, I've started off in the bedroom. I will also be doing the spare room as well as the ensuite bathroom before we head downstairs today. So there is tons of deep cleaning as well as everyday cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. I'm just going to go ahead and get myself a little bit more room by moving the fan out, just so we can go in, do some dusting and hoovering and make everything nice and fresh for the day.
This place, I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh.
I feel like I'm just constantly moving fans around at the moment, but it's just so hot here in the UK. Even when it's cloudy and it's not sunny, it's still really hot. And of course, we don't really have aircon in this country because we don't normally get heat of 34-36 degrees, so there's no escaping it when we do have weather like this. We can't just put the AC on, which is why I've got so many fans around the house at the moment, just trying to cool down. So please ignore those. There's not really anywhere to put them. They're always just going to be in the background because we have them on every single night, but I'm just going to try and work around them and continue dusting and just making everything nice and fresh.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
My bathrooms are definitely my least favourite thing to do, which is why they always get the messiest, because I leave them so long in between giving them a good tidy and a good clean. But as today I wanted to give you some deep cleaning as well as everyday cleaning motivation, I thought I'd go ahead and tackle this ensuite bathroom today as well. Do let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning along with me today, and also let me know what you have on your to-do list.
used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurry, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine.
So that Method shower spray is an absolute lifesaver. I'm so glad I invested in that. It does make everything a lot easier and a lot quicker, and it smells amazing. And because it's such a small bathroom, it just makes the whole bathroom smell amazing for the rest of the day. So I'm really glad that I picked that up. Definitely do recommend it. But now it's just a case of getting everything back in before giving the floor a quick hoover.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone?
I hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, because it really does help my video reach more people. The more you comment and the more you like and share, it just means the absolute world to me, and it really does help me grow my YouTube channel. So please do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, and also leave me a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around if you haven't already for lots more cleaning motivation. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, bringing you lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering and organisation, and just everything to do with the home. Any DIY or home updates I will also be posting on this channel. So if you do want to stick around, don't forget to subscribe and also click the little bell, because that will notify you every time I post.
Fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and
Spare room always has a completely different feel to it as soon as I've given it a good clean. It does end up being a dumping ground. It's a bit of a mix between an office and a beauty room. It's just where we end up stuffing everything if we don't know where to put it. It ends up in this room, so I've always got to end up clearing it out, going through it and sorting it out, and it just feels so much better once I've finished. I can't wait to give this room a makeover. It will be coming soon to this channel, so don't forget to stick around if you like DIY transformations, because this room is going to be completely different. We've decided what we want to do with it, so I can't wait to share that with you. But I'm just going to go ahead, make it nice and neat and tidy, because it's been a little while since it's had a nice thorough clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the hoovering before we head downstairs and tackle the kitchen and the living room.
slow down. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and also get some instant cleaning motivation, do go ahead and follow me over on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link down in the description below, along with some products that I think you guys would love. I get asked about my steam mop and my hoover all the time, and I have linked them down in the description box, along with some air purifiers and other things that I use on a regular basis that I definitely recommend. So if you do want to check those out, they're just in the description box down below.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. My oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
If you've been on my channel for a little while, you will know how obsessed I am with the clementine scent in the Method spray. So you can only imagine my excitement when I found a little bit in the back of the cupboard. I thought I'd used it all, but obviously not. I am a nightmare for that. I always leave it when I buy new stuff. I just go straight for the new stuff and forget about the old stuff. But this is by far my favourite scent, so I did get very excited and I had to clean my entire kitchen with it because I missed the fragrance so much, and I actually think I like it more now. It's been a while since I last bought it, so it will definitely be the next one that I buy. So as you can see, I just cleaned the sides and I'm now going through and doing all of the cupboards and drawers, and I'm sure that it is more fragrant than I thought it was. I always loved it because it was so strong, and today it just seems even stronger, so I'm absolutely loving it. My whole kitchen and downstairs now smells beautiful, so I'm just going to carry on doing all of the kitchen with the Method spray.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh.
I was trying to be super quick with the hoovering on this day because I kept forgetting to put my hoover on charge, so it was almost out of battery, so I did have to go around and do the whole downstairs super quick. And as you know, I do like to hoover every day, so I needed to make sure it was charged for the next day as well. But I am going to go around, do the living room, the kitchen and the hallway, and I already gave the upstairs a good hoover. So even though it's a small cordless hoover, it really does do the entire house. I'm absolutely in love with it, so I'm just going to go around, give everything a quick hoover before we can finish putting the washing up away.
Kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. Forget about signs and rules.
Thank you so much for watching today's extreme clean with me. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you did, and I'm going to leave another one on the screen here for you for even more motivation, and I'll see you back here in the next one.